Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to tint a side window. This is Holler style, whatever it's called. I'm gonna check the liner. So the liner is inside, so you need to turn it around. The clear side must be outside. It has a curve, so you need to kind of put it off. Just gonna slowly, carefully put it. Not too much blade, just a little bit. So you need to move this film at the edge of the chrome. So it's enough for the bottom, but it's not too much, so it will be not too hard to fit it to the bottom, feed it basically. And tag it down slightly, not too hard, because we can still move the film. So you're gonna bend the film, get yourself a marker, bend the film, and go as much as you can without cracking too much. Then actually we're gonna slide it slightly over. We're gonna do the same thing with this side. Mark it just like this. We can tag it down properly now. We're gonna open the window to, by the way, this car, if you do not sit down, it doesn't open the window, so you need somebody to help you. So we're gonna pause for a sec. Alright, so now we have lowered the window down by holding the film in place, so it comes down. You can see the bottom is now like this, you know, overlapping. So we're gonna go and pinch from the edge, and we're gonna go all the way across as far as you can go. Then peel off upwards, same as this, upwards. Okay. Now we're gonna go cut the edges with a ruler. We're gonna have this one here, so we take the ruler, put it that it's above the white line, and we're gonna cut it off. Round up the corners, both sides. Switch this side. Now we're gonna get the ruler again, same story. Just look that it's... Oh, there you go. I'm gonna bring it over to the window. Now we're gonna shrink it to the shape, because every side window is not straight, it's a little bit curved. And push it down just like this. Try to force in some few fingers as I meaning like these type of things. Force them in, and you can see the window is not flat. Now you can see all these are curves that we need to shrink it now. So heat it up. And you can see it wrinkles up, and you push it down, wrinkles up, push it down. Right, now we shrank the film, so we're gonna place it on the board and prepare the window, as in clean the window. Right, so for cleaning, it's fairly simple. Just spray it down, use a razor blade, and just go over the whole thing, just like that. Nothing special. Just go over a few times. The razor blade is the best for cleaning actual glass. I will go over a few more times. So usually I clean multiple times. I go with the razor blade, I clean, and then I come back and I do it again. Not everybody does that, but when I do it like that, it works. Like, I mean, you get less dust bubbles and so on. Now in the corners you use this easy reach type of curve, and just gravity is on your side, so always clean the edges without touching the glass and the panel itself all around, because you will, especially for this car, you will definitely touch something. So there you go, and that's it. Now it's prepared. We're gonna just spray down. In the corners I put more, because it's very tight corners. Right, so you spray down for no static, peel off the liner just like this, spray down. The faster you spray down, the better it is. And this car is very difficult with the edges, so you need to make sure they're wet to get in, you know? When the car is difficult like this, you make sure that you give enough water, like a slip solution for these type of windows. Now we grab the film on the edges like this and we stretch it out. First things first, you need to position yourself with hands. Usually that's the harder part. Now grab it here, place the corner, position the corner the right place where you want it to be, then tag this one down so it doesn't fall on you. Right, so now more or less I know where I am. I need to just lift the corner up. As you can see, I'm bending it, and now I'm pushing it inwards. I'm gonna push this one as much as I can so I have easy access for this side. So I'm gonna bend it as well, sideways, and push it inwards. There we have it. So now we position the film in. Now what we need to do is we need to check how is it enough film. Check with this type of squeegee, you check if it's enough, and it is on this side, and this side it is, looks like it is. Both sides looks fine. Just double check everything, everything looks fine, and use this type of squeegee to get that water out easy, especially on these type of windows. These windows are, well, this one's specific, first time I'm doing this type of car, so it was a little bit of a challenge, and because the edges are very tight, so it's quite difficult. And it's still, we're 50% in. We don't even know how it's gonna turn out, because other window I did 3 times before I got it right, and sometimes even if you're a professional you might have the problem. So now it's not moving that much, right? Now what we need to do is close this window, but for it to close, somebody needs to sit inside. So we're gonna pause now and we're gonna close the window up. Right, guys, so now as I have the window closed, I'm gonna spray down the edges, and I'm gonna try to get into the corners a little bit more water, because it's very tight edges. So now as you have this, you pull down the film, the liner. I always put a little bit more water under on these so it doesn't catch any dust, you know. And then I'm gonna use one of these. Actually, I'm gonna put this one in because it did help me on the other side. So I'm gonna just put it in as well. It just lets you loosen the grip, the rubber seal. So first thing we need to do is try to align this edge. Don't worry, it might crack this edge, but you can use a pin card to get it in place. So it's not a big deal. To fix it up. Now, see, I'm catching the corner and I'm gonna try to lift it here. Now usually you don't have to play around so much with most of the cars, but this one is specifically is the pain in the ass edition car. So now you pull it backwards, like you see, like I'm doing right here. Grab this to get that corner in. Try as much as possible to not crack the film. We're almost there. And as you can see, we are almost there. So it takes some time. Be patient with, because if you're gonna do it too quick, you're gonna crack the film, and it will be repeating cycle where you have to do everything again. So as you can see, I got it in place. It was more complicated than usual what we have. So there you go. Okay, I might even keep this still in. and we're gonna squeeze out the water. There you have it. There you go. Slide it towards the bottom. As I say, gravity is on your side. And when you have very tight corners, never go upwards or from the bottom or sideways even. It's best to push it down and go downwards only if it's very tight. Right, so we're gonna, because we have these special stickers in Spain, I have to squeegee with a soft edge to go around it, squeegee out all the water. Now this corner is extremely tight in the edge. I know from previous mistakes. That's it. Try not to play too much. If you squeegee out the water, forget about it. Don't go too many times in there. Here we have it. That's it. Nice tinted side window. I'm gonna show you now how it looks from outside. So as you can see, perfectly tinted side window without removing door cards.